Net working at its best. The luggage compartment separating net guarantees secure transport. You can install the net in two different ways, for upright backrests or when they're folded down. Remove the luggage compartment cover and stow it in the storage compartment under the floor. Fold up the rear cover caps up onto the roof frame until they engage. Insert both upper fastening pins of the net into the holders as far as possible and push forwards. Attach the luggage net with the two upper hooks to the two eyes on the rear backrest. Fold up the front cover caps and attach the net in the same way. Almost done, but this time attach it with the two lower hooks to the rear backrest. To make this easier, lift the backrest a little. Perfect net result. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.